Hello, my name is Gabe and I am the Den Chief for Den 5, which is the wolves, and today we are going to be making s'mores. So, first what you are going to need for these is some graham crackers, chocolate, I have Hershey's, and of course the marshmallows. So, because we are doing this indoors, we are going to be using a stove as our campfire. And I'm going to be using this fork here. And now this marshmallow is really big. Like, this is the largest marshmallow I think I've seen ever. So it might take a little while longer to cook. So before you turn on the stove, make sure you are with an adult. So now we're going to go ahead and do this. And you can roast the marshmallow however you want. So I personally like to take the time to brown the marshmallow. Some people just like to catch it on fire and just go with however that happens. Oh, and it is caught on fire. Just be careful that if it does catch on fire, you know what to do with it and you don't get anything else caught on fire, because that would not be good. Okay, so this is already burnt, but just for the sake of time, I'm going to say that this is done. So now, what you're going to do is take your graham cracker, put down the chocolate, and then with the top of your graham cracker, because your marshmallow might be hot, you're going to press down and release. And then you have your s'more.